So today I want to do this or that squishy tag. Okay, so create by Shren V. Okay, so this is all the question. Yeah. So let's get started. So the first question is fruit or character? Probably I choose fruit. Yeah, I really like a fruit. So yeah. It's like too many sprinkles. Next one. Next one is Hello Kitty. Hello Kitty or Rilakkuma. I don't know because it's like a bear. And yeah, the tag is so cute. I really love this dog, but I don't know the name. So yeah, Rilakkuma. Next one. Next question is Bredo or Ayama Tokyo. I don't have any Bredo. I have Ayama Tokyo, but I lost. I don't know where. I got so mad. Next one is smell like strawberry or no smell. Nothing. It's pretty pathetic. The answer is no. Next one. Next one is tiny, real tiny, or big. Yeah, I just big. Smells so good. This is not Iblum Peach, okay? But it's super squishy. Yeah. I really like it. Next one. Next one is openable packaging. Yeah, this can open in here. Or sealed packaging. The answer is openable packaging. Next one. Next one is bread or cake. I don't know. Because this one is so nice. And it's so soft. But I would go with bread. Next one. Next one is established website shopping or star review shopping. Established website shopping. Next one is a chocolate or vanilla. I don't know at all vanilla sushi, but I choose chocolate. And last question is package opening video or squishy tag? Package opening video because it's more fun and more something stuff. Okay, so what is your favorite squishy on this or that squishy tag? Comment down below. My favorite squishy is this peach. Okay, comment down below. So thank you so much for watching. Bye. Oh yeah, then don't forget to subscribe me. It's already say in down here. So thank you for watching. Bye.